Hey, guess what? One more kingfish adventure. I told you last week that this week we'll be coming out. So we're out here now. I just came out not too long ago, you know, but we were tuning up some of the baits because the baits not swimming properly at all. So we have to tune them up. Yeah man, but the seafood man, you know, him hold on to 2 rod now, you know. See him there? I forget same name, the 2 rod kid. Yeah man, the 2 rod kid that, so see him have the 2 rod now, one in him hand and one beside him. And I just put out this little one here, just testing out a new bait. It's not really a new bait still, you know. It's the one from last week, but boy, the kingfish mash it up. I just repair it and retune it up, so it look like it's swimming alright. Hopefully I pick up something on it, you know. Yeah, so they're kind of bright, you know. I don't know what going to happen out here today, if we're going to catch anything or we don't know if they're biting or what, we don't know, but we're trying, you know. So I will get to you when the action starts. Alright? So don't move.
Yes. The video man hook up something this morning.
Yeah. I don't know, this feel like why run like a jack.
Why?
But why my come kinda easy, so I don't know.
We'll find what I go on today, no? See what I go on. Yes, pump him. Say something, say something.
No, pump on what I'm doing.
What do you feel like to you? Like a jack or a kingfish?
Him not run like a jack, you know. A jack could have given me more run already.
Oh, man, because see what I go on.
Feel like a jack,
Eh, him a bum? Let me get the gear for you there. No man, that now look like Jack. Bring him come. Jack? Oh, then we can't see him. Can't see him. Jack. Whoa, whoa, nice, nice. Bring him up, bring him up. You know, see that thing? Yes, holding it. That's the man. Yes.
Alright. So we just coming, well, that just coming out. Decided to make a circle down this side, you know? I pick up this jack, yeah?
Yeah, right.
Nice jack.
What size jack that?
Alright. One like about 8 pounds.
Yeah, like a 8 pound.
Yeah, like about 8.
Anyway, catch you in the action again. That's the man.
Watch it. The seafood man hook up a Sennet again.
I want to tell you
A new day, you know. This man, hey, it's 2 Sennet him catch already, you know. The first one I never catch it because I didn't set up the camera yet. Watch here. Watch here. The jack that, you know. And see there? Watch here. Eh? 1, 2. Man catch 2 Sennet, you know.
Look in the giggle and see it.
Yeah, I just catch that jack, you know, and him catch 2 Sennet. And we don't have to go too far, we just come out of the bridge right here. See the bridge there?
Yeah.
So maybe we can just stay right here and fish today. No, we want some kingfish, so we have to go a little further to catch a kings. Alright. Jamaican anglers out here again, you know. Always great fishing on this boat, you know. Yeah. That is the new bait. Him just put that one on again, you know. Wow, yeah man. Alright. We're going to continue and see what we can catch. So, catch you in the action again. Don't move.
Monster,
Mr. Seafood man, what that?
Monster man.
Monster.
Almost fool me.
It
Almost fool me.
run off like a kingfish still, you know.
Yeah man, almost fool
me. Is which one of the bait that you use?
Blueback.
Blueback. Yeah man.
Almost fool me a while ago.
Yeah man, him gave a good run a while ago, you know. Yeah people, so As you can see, boy is the seafood man at the control. Well, Jaffe does. Jack. Oh well. Him run off and come into here like a kingfish, but maybe one of them big jack there.
Those are big with him, man. Don't worry yourself. Jack now go get it. No reach yet.
I'm not reach up yet.
Speed where him run with it, come like him.
Yeah, run off.
Run hard, you know.
Run hard a while ago, man.
So the energy him have, him done it. Him done him energy.
Done out already.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So at the seafood man, that like him hook up on a big jack there, you know?
No.
No?
Monster kingfish.
What? Tell him, man. Tell us him run off like a kingfish. Yeah, what now? You see, you start getting nervous.
Jesus, peace.
Yeah, it's a big kingfish, you know?
It look like about 18 pounds.
You know, say like me have to help you. You want me to help you?
No, man, there's nothing for you.
Alright.
You can't get it.
Hi, yeah, man. Boil him. Yeah.
No, sir. No, this like about 25 pounds. Jesus.
Yeah, that's a big one. Look there.
Jesus, peace.
Take up, look out, man. Step on it. Man, flash hook in your hand, you know. Here? Man, flash hook in your hand. Hold on, man. Hold on.
No, man, no flash hook.
No, flash hook.
Just video him see me.
Here, I tell you. All upon YouTube, upon them guys, you're firing me. Watch ya, man.
Jesus.
No, man, that it's a monster.
Feel like about 23 pounds.
Yes, man, him big.
No, sir.
Yeah, man, good size. Yeah, sir, seafood man hook up biggest kingfish him ever catch on this boat here. Him catch a 18 pound on the last time, but this one look like him gone about 25 or so.
Yeah,
nice size. Alright, so
you feel like about 20 pounds.
I have to go help him take out them things here.
No,
so
man,
you take it out, alright.
Let's video and see it. Oh, up there.
Alright, my video. I'm going to video then. And you want to be on the big screen.
Of course.
Why, my friend Just Soldier, I love see that one there, you know. I miss a big, it's a long time I don't see Miss a big still, yeah. The lure, this, you know. I remember I tell you this morning that this lure, the man take it out brand new. Brand new, well, catch 2 snit on it, and now we catch a big kingfish, so it's a nice one.
Jeez,
hold him up, let me see. Oh, yeah, man, him nice.
But him fat, you know. Him fat, him could have, let me see. Feel like about weigh him.
Yeah, weigh him there.
About 23 pounds.
Yeah,
24.
man, he gone over 20, man.
Gone over 20.
Him big. Alright, people, so that's a seafood man as usual. I tell you, so, you know, him bad pan about it. Alright.
See?
No.
Again.
Would you believe
Hey, this one has spool, almost spool me. Watch the spool.
that this man will just move off, you know?
Look,
watch
the
it.
spool.
Spool.
Almost spool me.
Oh, man, the man just move off. Look here, we just put in that one. Look, hold on it. No joke. Look there. See the big one there fall up in the guy's box, you know?
See the big one there?
Right, so this is no joke, you know? It's not the same fish. Look.
This one took out the whole of my line a while ago.
No, man, this man, no. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah.
The man just move off, you know? Not even 50 yards.
I tell you, I'm going to turn back, you know? Because I know I miss the bait them, man. I'm going
No,
to turn back in
man,
there.
this is history out here again. Alright, so when feel like another one?
Why this one? No, this one I feel like one big jack.
I feel like a big jack.
I'm stiff, man. Like you know, watch the boat a move. Look at my draw the boat.
Yeah, man, draw the boat,
Look
you know.
at the boat a move. Watch it.
Like we have an electric motor there.
Yeah,
Or it's a
the boat
fish
a move.
motor. Alright, bring him up, let me see now what kind of fish is that now, because the one there a while ago, the first one run off like a kingfish. I know it was a kingfish. But this one now, you know, it look run off like a kingfish, you know, but we're not sure yet. Because them so big. So them love that bait then, man.
No, we don't even have time for roll, for
That's the eagle claw, blue back.
Yeah.
White bad, man. Bad.
Big rubbish.
You know, we just bought that bait, you know, we use it, we never catching anything on it, you know, and I tell him, just put it down, man. One day it will work. Working today. Well, that's the only bait that catch. Well, I catch a jack this morning, but yeah. Man say him sell one fish 5 times. How that work? Sell the customer
You know why?
the whole fish 5 times.
You know why? Because me have a whole heap of customer. That's why.
Ah, sir. Him too great, yeah, man. Me know how him do that. Right. As me tell you, say, I greatest man on the boat, so me don't know if him do that, but him say him can do it. I sell one fish 5 times. I sell a man it and just go back in the van and take it out and sell it again.
I mean, when I'm fridge, and take it out.
No, sir. Put on a little bit more drop on him, Kevin, man.
Big one.
See him alone doing the job, you know. Don't want no help from him, so must just watch. Yeah, see that? Grab at him, man. See that? Yeah. Big jack. Not that big still about him.
Yeah, feel like
Yeah.
feel like about
It's about 10 or 11 pounds, you know.
about a 10.
Yeah, so, that is what we're all about.
Look again. Same bait.
I'll show you the bait again, see that?
The same bait we catch the kingfish a while ago. Same bait.
Step out a little bit.
Same bait.
Right, see there? That is
Same
the bait.
one. We catch the kingfish.
It's a blueback eagle claw. As I told you, you know, eagle claw copy Uzuri, but them swim very well in the water. Yeah, so that's the jack. Alright, so I don't know, maybe my time next. I don't know when I start the video again if it's going to be my time, but watch and see. So come back. You know, they tell you that the next one they hook up would be mine, you know, but guess what? As you can see, it is not mine, it's a seafood man again.
Right.
The man catch a big 20-pound kingfish, I'm going to catch a big jack and hook up again. I look at one fish strike my rod still, but me not catch him. I catch him at all, look like him just bounce it, you know. But the seafood man, boy, I feel bait bad, yeah, man. I may have one like it, you know. I'm gonna just put it on and just use it, you know, cause like other bait that them want.
Back to that. Back tip.
I saw black tip go on, you know, but guess what now? For them line strong, you know. Not that our line don't strong, you know, cause this is using 20-pound trilene. And trilene is a very strong line, you know, I tell you. I use braid already. The little idiot braid, them call it again Power Pro.
Power Pro.
I must be the one from China.
Yeah, one.
Because me I tell you, say, one little 5-pound jack take up the thing and just push it off, you know, man. Can't do expensive bait. I just reel off that and throw it away, you know. I use trilene, go back to trilene. And from I put on this trilene, you know, man, I never lose a fish on it yet. Man, 20-pound trilene, man, the strongest line we ever come up on. As monofilament line, you know.
Not even Andy so bad.
No, I don't believe in that. Well, I know Andy good line, but I don't believe in it like I believe in a trilene. I've been using trilene for 20 odd years now. And never fail us.
Never.
This is the line that I am using. This line. So this line here. This one is 25 pound. I am using 25 pound. I catch 140 odd pound tarpon on this, you know. And that was about what? 5 years ago, and I'm still using this line and it never failed me yet. And it's trilene. Yeah, so back to the seafood man now. You bring him up yet?
No, not yet.
Like it's a big jack still, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why you love a jack them, some man?
Boy, I don't love my
Are you the jack man?
I love my line.
Jack them love your line, man. You have some kind of jack spray on it, them smell and thing and grab your bait.
Love my line.
Forget a spray where the kingfish them like. Can't see him all. No, I can't see him.
See him.
Bring him up to the surface, man. I want the people that want to see what is happening. I want to see what kind of fish. Suppose it's a June fish. No, it can't be a June fish still because them fish are not up on top of the water at all. Yeah, but see him there? A big jack, you know. But this man has him can't find seal, get seal for them, so he might catch them. You know, it's in Jamaica, it's not in America, it's in Jamaica. This is in Jamaica, so some people here in Jamaica eat all of them things. Yeah.
I can get seal for them.
Yeah, so can get seal for
This
them.
is expense. Yeah, the expense, you know?
Can you take up that grab by step on it, you know? Accident happened, you know, you step on that at the hospital, you have to go right away. Yeah, see him there? That same blueback bait. Working today, you know. It's a brand new bait we take out this morning, you know. I'm take it out of the plastic this morning, brand new. It's working wonders though. It's a good bait. Nice.
One more time, look at it again, one more time. Let's keep marking, man.
It look chamba bro.
Yeah.
The teeth mark, kingfish and jack, but still working. I have a lot more to go. Alright, so the man and him jack there now. Yeah. Yeah, nice jack.
Feel 8 pounds.
Alright. Alright, we're moving on again. So come back.
Look at this.
Oh,
Watch your man.
now come back. See
You what? Igloo, pull up, can't hold no more.
Can't hold no more.
Fuck's sake. Watch your man.
Who go and donate an igloo to us? A cooler. Somebody go and donate one to us?
The big boy here.
Alright, nobody now donate none to us still. It's alright.
Big one. Igloo
Alright,
full, man.
that's it.
Igloo full.
We're going to move off again. We're going to put up at the lines. So, catch you when we hook up again. Yeah, so this is the end of our fishing adventure now. You know, the breeze is coming up, so we have to come inside now. But we didn't do bad today. We catch some kingfish and jack. Yeah, so the man there.
This would be heavy.
Yeah, man. Good engine, you know. When them came out with it, you know, we never know it was so good. You know, them copy the Chinese copy the Yamaha now, the Japanese.
Alright.
I don't know, be a copy now go on. But we can't copy kingfish and jack.
Alright,
Yeah, so see the seafood man there, you know. I'm a champion today.
Champion.
Always started. Why I catch one, you know, but my would mark already because guess what? I have to leave a bait all in that mouth. I couldn't take it out. Hold on, the seam go down to the chest there.
Alright, see that?
Yes, see them now. Yeah man, see them there.
Sound too big, see?
I'm too big jack them.
Alright, watch this
That's a
now.
two. Check gone on for more again, you know. Alright, jack market him gone now, you know. See him there? That is my one, you know, because I mark him already. I leave the bait in my mouth. I couldn't take it out. The fish swallow up the bait, you know. Look. See that?
See bait there?
The bait down at the fish mouth, you know. I can't get out that, man. I have to take it off. When I go down, I take it out. See that
Alright.
there, you know. Yeah.
Monster now. This is the monster. Ah, boy.
That one there, the monster now, you know, man. I don't even know how much that one weigh, but trust me.
Over
That's
20
the
pounds.
big one.
The straight
The man can't even know if you do it, that's terrible. No, straighten up, man. Yeah, yeah, see that?
Been up still.
Him been up, but him alright. We got a good video, but you just show you the catch now, you know. Yeah, you want a good fish. So put him down right there, so see him there. That see him, add him to it, you know, see that?
That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this now.
See him here, big.
Again.
Oh, yeah, go up on the snake, them now.
Yes, someone. Yes, someone.
Man, say, man, show everybody everything.
Yeah, see that? Look.
Man, show everybody everything, alright.
Look. See that?
Yeah, man, so much, you know. Yeah, count now.
Count how much it is. Snit, you know.
Yeah, snake that, you know. So you have
Look now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one of my ones still is alright. See, man, mash me up again today. Yeah. So we didn't do bad today, no?
Hold on, this is the bait now.
Oh, you want to show the bait,
Bait,
you know?
bait.
You want to show the wicked
Kilo of
bait.
them today.
See it here?
There's only 1 kilo of them today, you know. Look.
Man, that is the E-Club blue
Put
pack.
against the fish there.
Oh, say more put against the fish there.
Hold on. See that?
Man, the fish grab it in the boss.
See that? You
Yeah,
can
man,
see
see
it?
that? Yeah.
Watch it shine.
Yeah, man, I hate catch them fish there today, you know? It's my one here.
Wicked today.
Mm.
It's all about the catch.
Yeah, so that's it again for us, you know? Jamaican anglers, as you know. So, catch you again next week. Ah, boy.
Be heavy, no man.
Yeah, man, maybe in big man.
Big man. Start to pan him.
Pack him up. Pack him up in the coffin there. So, yeah. Another one, that again.
Again. One again.
Yeah. Still I eat my bait, see me?
Beauty.
See
Again?
Another one there again. So we say you have sale for them? Yeah, man. So you do them. Your dinner that up.
Yeah man, dinner fish them here.
Alright, sir. Let me set up. Alright, my chewing back the ice them now. Yeah. So that was it, you know?
Was good today, no?
Good day today. Alright, so
Very good.
we'll catch you again next week, alright? So until then, thanks for watching. Catch you alright.